Look at all these empty spots. All these empty spots. And this guy decides to go in head first just to park here. Come on now. Come on now. What's going on, guys? Welcome to part 2. Quick recap. What do we got in here? We got that Macan. We got the Urus. We got the Porsche. We got the 2 motorcycles. We got, what was here? We got the i4. See how these hooks go in here too? Look at that. Look at that. We got the Bentley Flying Spur. And we also have the GT3. You're not going to see anything from here, but it's close enough. Shorts and slides, you know the vibes. Moment of truth. Let's see if the bikes are still good. The bikes are still good. Let's put these cones down in every corner, because everybody at this truck stop thinks this is a phone-free zone. Alright, these were the straps I was talking about last time, but I am not wrapping a bike with this. I will scratch the living shit out of it. And these bikes, man, these bikes are special. Put those other straps away. Now she's relatively nice and clean. First thing the customer always sees. This is the before. And this is the after. I looked at the weight rating for these. They're 1,200 pounds each. Yeah, so I just cleaned them up so I'm not tripping over them when I do. Look how tight that is. When I go look for them. Look at that. Now that is how you stagger bikes. And the handlebar, we only have up to here, like an inch. Handlebar is well before that. And the backs, I reinforced the backs with 2. Those big straps, just in case, because you don't want to hit this BMW. Alright, let's go check on all these vehicles before I close the gate. Bottom 3 is good. Now let's go upstairs. Alright guys, 3 vehicles on the bottom are good. 5 vehicles on top are good. Woo, that's stressful. That's not too bad. Yeah, we're good to go. I don't know if you guys want me to check it, because I check it every day. We have 4 days to get to California. Or if one was enough, and I'll just show you the rest of what happens on the road. I don't know, let me know, comment below. Can't forget the coffee. I don't even like coffee, but Pilot coffee somehow gets me going. Works 70% of the time, every time. Swagger
die. Swing those hips around, can't stop, roll back down. My ladies, short, tall, thin or wide, always down and ready to ride. One by one, billion by billion, they're holding up half the sky. Raise your hand if you're ready and willing, if you know it's time. Time for a girl on time. Time for a girl on time. Time for
Good morning. Just did my PTI, checked all the cars, everything looks good. So yesterday we started at Riverside and made it all the way to Gallup, New Mexico today. About 680, 700 miles. It was alright, but I usually aim for 750, 760 if possible. But Riverside, California, that traffic was ridiculous, so let's see how far we get today. We just got a blown tire. And that completely wrecked my airline. Thankfully, we got a spare. That was a pain in the ass to take out because of all this stuff. But we're good, and we're at a TA. In the comments below, write how much it's gonna cost. Starts at 1,000. Regular tires are $295, $75, 22 and a half. These are my drives. Steers are the same size. But these tires come smaller. These are 265, 70, 19 and a half. Our car haulers have these. Oh man, that's not good. Alright guys, cleaned everything up here. That ain't going anywhere. Alright, airlines are fixed. New tire is on. Now let's test this leveler. Where can I put this? Alright guys, we just got the TA service bill. $933. That's the tire and that airline fitting. Not even the fitting, they changed the whole line, which is I guess better, but bright side is we're back on the road again, right? Oh yeah, that chicken Alfredo from Pizza Hut never fails. Gotta love it. Good morning guys. Alright, that repair yesterday really set us back. I'm currently on I-40 right on the border of Texas and Oklahoma. If you guys know exactly where I am in this rest area. I feel like Oklahoma's gonna pull me into the weight station because they always do, but hopefully I'm not overweight.
Shoot me down, but I'll rise again. I'm laying down the law and you
morning, guys. So yesterday we were in between the Texas and Oklahoma border. Today we made it all the way to Tennessee. That locks us in about 700 something miles, which was good. We're gonna try to make it all the way to Northern Virginia for the Porsche. Have that delivered tomorrow morning. But yeah, I'm in Jackson, Tennessee today. Whew. Boy, do I have a story about this shirt. So when I was going teams, our drive shaft ripped off in the middle of I-40. Thank God it was like 4 in the morning. And when that happened, we needed a repair. 4 in the morning, you're not finding anybody. So called a tow truck. Tow truck brought us to like an empty lot over there in Jackson. Once we could get mechanics out there in the morning, they said, oh, it's bent. We have to go find it. They go back on I-40, they find it. It was on the side, like on the shoulder in the grass. That guy says, oh, it's bent. We could like straighten it out. And I was like, you're fucking out of your mind. Let's put a new one in. Nope, he wanted to fix it. And then he comes back a day later. He says, we can't fix it. And now we have to order it. Nobody has it in stock. He looked everywhere. Now it's getting shipped. Then it gets installed and we're out of there. So that took like 5 days of downtime. And I was driving team, so me and my partner, we went out. We had a blast. Virginia Wait Station. Let's see what the issue is. Man, they got your boy for $181. But I did retaliate. I stole the 2 free stickers they got. You ain't gonna get me like that. If by some miracle that girl in that wait station over there watches this video, I'll at your boy. If you guys are ever on 81, go to White's Travel Center. It's like the I-80's largest truck stop of America. But it's a little smaller, but it's fucking huge. Check this out. Give you a little tour. They got Nathan's, Popeyes, Subway, Papa John's, the White's truck stop. Good morning, guys. We are currently in Toms Brook, Virginia. We're getting diesel and def. About 80 miles away from the drop-off in Reston, something like that, Virginia. Let's see, got her loaded. It is cold, boy. It is cold. Woo! So last time we loaded, we were in Jackson, I believe it was. I'd like to say it was. Yeah, let's just say it was. I was in Jackson. Now we're here. It's gonna be our last fill up before we head to HQ. Once we deliver this, we also got another delivery of the Bentley, the i4, and the 2 motorcycles. But that's all gonna be on part 3. So make sure you watch that. But for now, let's fill her up. Let's check the cars for the final and last time before the delivery of the Porsche. Let's go. came pretty good, man. This came pretty good, all the way from California. Pretty happy with that. Didn't forget the coffee. Never, ever, ever. All right, guys, we finally made it. We are currently hiding from the customer. He's literally outside by the door. But I just wanted to quickly get on here and conclude the video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys really liked it. If you haven't watched part 1, go ahead and watch that. It's all the pickups in California. We had a crazy routes going through canyons. The fires was ridiculous. Part 3 will be dropping tomorrow, so don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, turn on that bell notification so you know when the next video drops. Take care. See you next time.